Hi, I am Bob, and I'm going to show you how to use the AODocs Audit Log. Right now, I'm working in a library dedicated to managing contracts. From the administration console, library administrators have access to a centralized audit log. This audit log records all actions performed in that library, whether it is document-related actions or configuration-related ones. The scope filter allows filtering according to the type of actions performed. The type filter is a subfilter of the scope. If you are looking for a document deletion, you should select Document in Scope and Document Deleted in Type. If you are looking for a change in the library permissions, you should select Administration in Scope and Library Permissions Updated in Type. Alternatively, you can view all actions performed by a user if you just type in the email address in the user field. The From and To fields allow you to search within a specific time frame. With AODocs, add enterprise-class security to your files stored in Google Drive.